Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Rahul Tomar. I'm back with another video, and here I have brought a lot of the vacancies in which you can apply. Here you can see we are hiring for Concentrix for customer support profiles in ORM, in social media, banking, telecom, technical domain. Please go through the profiles and you can walk into the below mentioned address. In this video, I'm going to give you the address of a consultancy, which name is Outspace Consulting. Here you can see walk-in address Outspace Consultancy, C29 Sector 2 Noida. Nearest metro station is Noida Sector 15. Then you have to exit gate number 3. Landmark is near Hotel Nirulus. As here you can see date of interview is mentioned 3 of September. But it doesn't mean you cannot go after 3 of September. They always hire for top companies, for international, for domestic processes in Delhi NCR location. If you're a person who belongs from Delhi NCR having a good English communication skills, then you can definitely apply for this. And if you have done minimum 12th class, then you can apply for this. Now you can see contact person Sunil, Gaurav, Radhika. Documents which you have to bring while giving the interview in consulting office is resume and Aadhaar in hard copy. Okay, you have to take a photocopy of that. Then please note, undergraduate candidates should not have any exams in coming 6 months. Also note that candidates who have given their final exams and are waiting for results are eligible. You have to say hi to this WhatsApp number like 9151555419. This number is just for WhatsApp. Just message hi for drive confirmation. Then here you can see the details of the first profile. Profile first by the name of customer support Noida day shift for females only. Let me tell you about all of these criterias. Any graduate with minimum 1 year experience in customer support, day shift for females. Then graduate pass outs can also apply. Then we have the salary which they are offering is 26,800 in hand. Then they are providing 4,000 travel allowance also. Then there is incentive separate. Banking process customer support, excellent communication, 5 days working, job location Noida. I know for which company they are hiring. They are hiring for Axis House Noida Sector 128. This vacancy is for Axis Bank. And then if we talk about the second vacancy is like fresher can apply, graduate, undergraduate pass outs only. Then CTCs 2.8 and 3.3 LPA means lakh per annum. And it totally depends on your interview, your comms skills and your experience, your qualification. Then excellent communication skills. This is an inbound process, 5 days working, job location Gurgaon. Then third profile we have is blended profile. In this, any graduate or undergraduate with minimum 1 year experience in international BPO preferred voice, then CTC would be 4.7 lakh per annum maximum. Then there is salary of 31,500 in hand plus incentives, caps in odd hours and travel allowance. Then you need to have excellent communication skills. You must be comfortable for rotational shifts, 5 days working, and here also job location is same is Gurgaon. Then if we talk about the fourth profile we have is non-voice process freshers. Then graduates can apply, and if you're a fresher also you can apply. And CTC, the salary ranges between this range 2.5 lakh to 3.3 LPA. For BTech freshers, max offer in this profile is 2.5 LPA. Caps in odd hours and travel allowance. Here also, because these all jobs are related to BPO, whether that's in domestic, that's an international process. But one thing is common, that is your English communication skills must be excellent. Then you must be comfortable for rotation shift, 5 days working, job location Gurgaon. Then if we talk about the fifth profile we have, that is international chat process. And the candidates who wants to apply in the chat process, this job vacancy is very good for you. And you know what happens? There is a huge difference when you try to apply direct through company and when you try to apply through consulting services. So the consultant helps you a lot to get selected in the company because they have some incentive or they have some profit share with the company. They don't charge from you anything, like they don't ask for money for getting you a job. Because make sure one thing, you have to take care one thing in your mind whenever you are applying for a job through any consulting, through any person. You don't have to give any charges. Genuine consulting companies doesn't charge anything from the candidate. They charge from the company for hiring good candidates. Understand? I hope you understand. Then profile 6 we have is collection process with TCS Gurgaon. Any graduate with minimum 1 year US collection or international voice experience. Salary can be 5.5 LPA maximum. And here also you need excellent communication skills, comfortable with rotational shift, 5 days working, job location Gurgaon. Then seventh profile which we have is ORM, online reputation management. And if you're a person who doesn't know about the ORM job profile, then please leave a comment in the comment box. Then I'll make the next video on the job role of a ORM. So you will be able to understand what exactly an ORM do in any company. What is the job role of ORM? What are the responsibilities? I'll explain each and everything in detail in my video. So please leave a comment if you want to know about this. I'll make a detailed video on that. Develop and implement comprehensive ORM strategies to monitor, manage and enhance clients' online reputation on social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Understand? Then any graduate or undergraduate with minimum 1 year experience in ORM, CTC can be 6.5 LPA. Job location would be Gurgaon. And here you can see all the best for applying for the job. No placement charges. And this is from Outspace Consulting. This is a genuine consultancy because I have checked it. I have also gone to this consulting office and I have also given interview in some companies. Okay, so this is a genuine company. This is a genuine consulting company. But you have to take care of one thing whenever you are going to apply for a job. Don't give even a single rupee to someone for getting your good job. And here you can see, should you wish to write back, please email to gaurav.hashwani@outspace.in. If you want to apply for this job, you can also WhatsApp on this number which is given here, and you can also mail them your resume with the details on this email ID. Okay, and I hope you have understood each and everything about these job vacancies in these job roles. If you still have any doubt in your mind, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment box. I'll be there to respond to you. I'll be making a detailed video if you have any doubt about any job role, about ORM, about anything. Then I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, with your cousins, whoever is searching for a job. So Outspace Consulting is going to help them a lot to get selected in any reputed BPO, or you can say any reputed international company. So this is enough for this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the notification icon also, so you will be able to get notifications of our upcoming videos on your YouTube application. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.